What's good, everybody? Today I have a car video for you. This is our '02 Buick LeSabre, and several months ago I was on the way home from work and it just decided to stop running while I was driving, and it would turn over, it would fire like it wanted to start, but then it would just stop, and that's all it would do. And the car would sit for about a half hour, whatever, and it would start right back up and run. And then you'd take your chances of getting stuck on the side of the road if you went anywhere. So I put in a fuel pump in it, and it still did the same thing. It would not complete a trip anywhere without stalling and leaving us stuck on the side of the road. I walked 7 miles home one night because of it. So the mechanic worked on it, and he put another pump in it because he thought maybe the pump from O'Reilly's was no good. He said the pressure wasn't quite right, so I went and got another one, and it's got good pressure. The fuel gauge works now. And then he put an oil pressure switch or oil sending unit, whatever you want to call it, down there on the passenger side underneath. And he said between the fuel pump pressure and that switch, it would have been enough to trip the ECM to shut the car off. So he said it's running. I paid for it, went and picked it up, brought it home, and I decided to go to town today to pick up some things, and I got about 4 miles from here and it stalled and I was stuck on the side of the road. So I sat there for 20 minutes and decided, well, let's look up some forums on Google or YouTube, and I ended up on YouTube and I watched a video. I can't remember the name of the channel right off the top of my head, but he suggested unplugging a couple things here and then trying it, and so I decided I'm going to do that. So I'm going to show you what I did, and this is my hood release. Alright, so here it is. There's your 3800, and over here on this side, I'm not going to take this cover off, don't need to, but right here there's a sensing unit right here. This sits right by tensioner pulley assembly and the alternator. It's on this side of the engine, and I do believe it's called an MAF sensor. I could be wrong, but be as it may, I unplugged this. Alright, now keep in mind I sat on the road for 20 minutes. The car would turn over, it would pop, but it would not run. I unplugged this wire. The car started up, it ran rough, and it wouldn't idle very good. It would almost stall at an idle. So I just held my foot on the brake and the gas, and I put her in drive with this unplugged, and I made the 6-mile drive back to my house without any problems whatsoever. The car made it. I even stepped into it and had it up to 70 in a matter of minutes. Well, seconds actually. But either way, there you have it. I hope this might help you, save you some towing charges, save you when you get stranded on the side of the road at night in the dark when there's nobody around and nobody to help, or if you, in my case, you don't have a cell phone, because I only have one and I leave it at home with my wife, so she has it, and I'm unable to call if I get stranded on the side of the road late nights coming home. So hopefully this will help you all. Thanks for watching. And I'll put the name of that channel in the description so you can watch his video and give him the credit he deserves, for this was his solution that helped me. So thank you everybody for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.